In past videos I've showed how to do tests and comparisons. Now let's look how to do multiple tests easily using a case statement. When you want to test multiple conditions, it's sometimes more convenient and can make your code easier to understand to use what's called a case statement. Now let me find an example. Okay, here's one. This sort of statement begins by enclosing a test value in parentheses after the switch keyword. Then comes a pair of curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, you can have multiple case tests. Each case test tests a specific value and compares it against the test value. If the values match, the code following the colon is run. If the keyword break is placed in the case section, then no more comparisons are done and the execution of the program continues right after the end of the switch block. If no break occurs, then the code execution trickles down to the next comparison inside the switch block. Now here, for example, if user input .text matches either the string hello or the string hi, then this piece of code executes. But then it hits this break, and so that exits, it breaks out of the switch block. Now if none of the case conditions are met, then the default section, marked by the default keyword, is run. And that's like a sort of an else section that follows multiple if tests. To learn programming in depth, enroll in one of my courses or read one of my books. More information at bitwisebooks.com.